president of the Federation of School Teachers of Meghalaya, Fastom, KENNETH, SHADAP, had spoken to reporters today on the stepmotherly treatment meted out to teachers by the state government in relation to their various demands. KENNETH SHADAP informed that the teachers' organization had since 2018 sent communication to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, and to the Directorate of Education and Literacy to request for an upgradation of all government-aided schools right from lower primary to higher secondary ad hoc level into deficit schools across the state. In September 2021, discussions were held between the state government of Meghalaya and members of the Federation of the All School Teachers of Meghalaya, but there was no record of the minutes of the meeting. Therefore, the Federation has once again urged upon the Chief Minister to call them for a dialogue in the month of January 2022 so as to enable the implementation of the deficit pattern of school system in the entire state.
Another, I want to express here that the government, our Honorable CM has assured us to invite during the month of November. That also was not done. November has gone, December has gone, and again we have requested at least to invite us during the month of January 2022. So when the government refused to invite us, refused to take any action as per our request, the government has violated Article 14. Article 14 states like this, that a person is equal in the eyes of the law. You and me, we are all equal in the eyes of the law. But as teachers, it seems that the government does not care, that we are not equal in the eyes of the law. That is why the government did not pay attention to our memorandum, did not pay attention to our request. So the government has violated Article 14 and Article 21. Article 14, that we are equal in the eyes of the law. Article 21, we should live with dignity and identity in the society. So how can the teachers live with identity? How can the teachers live with dignity in the society?
The president of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya slammed the MDA government for turning a deaf ear to the plea of teachers who have been demanding for their rights as per Articles 14 and 21 of the Indian Constitution.
That our representatives, actually they are the representatives by the people and for the people. But it is very sad if they don't pay attention to our memorandum, to our humble request. So they have already taken a vow in the Constitution of India that they will rule the state with honesty. They will rule the state with sincerity. But it is very sad. It seems that actually the rulers, the legislators, they have been elected for the people, by the people, for the people. But it is very unfortunate in a government of today. It seems like they rule for by the politician, for the politician. It seems like that. So I request that this is wrong. Our representative should respect all the people of our state, especially the different organization, especially the different people who face so many grievances. The state government should pay attention to them. Our rulers should rule the state with honesty, with justice, because they have taken a vow in the Constitution of India that I will rule with honesty, I will rule with sincerity. So that should be followed. because God sees the truth both way.